Hi guys, I'm back with the Gel Polish Mani. So 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 sent me their collection to feature on my channel. It's a Little Dream of Summer collection, and it has 5 colors in this particular collection. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first color, I don't know why I flipped the bottle over. The first color is Sail Away, which is a nice, vibrant blue mixed between the sky and the ocean. I really love this vibrant blue. It's my favorite. Blue's my favorite color. The next color is I Don't Know, which is a combination of hot pink and magenta. Really pretty. Here we go, Barbie core again. The next color in the collection is Clouded, which is an off-white. Almost reminds me of a beige. Looks beige to me, but it is off-white. The fourth color featured in this collection is a nice peachy orange as well, and this color is Future Past. Really nice color. Looks more orange to me than peach. Things pick up differently on camera. And the last color in the collection to me is more like a jelly color. This is Dream Chaser, which it says on the site that it's a light yellow, but it looks more like a yellow orange, or more orange to me. So guys, we're going to go ahead and get into this collection. I decided to do a mani with Sail Away and Clouded. And so I did cut my nails down. I have on 1 coat of UNT Peel Off Base Coat, and then I'm going to apply a thin layer of 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉's gel base, and I'm going to cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉's polishes are vegan and cruelty free. That means their products are not tested on animals, and the most harmful ingredients have been removed from the product. And so with the gel base, I didn't dip my gel brush back into the bottle because the brush is loaded, and I just use it to polish all 4 fingers because I don't have that much nail estate. And so after curing, I'm going to apply only 1 layer of color of Sail Away and Clouded on my nails, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. And so with 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉, they do have a VIP program, $29 a month, and you get a $29 credit. This gives you access to polishes at a 50% off discount, free shipping, and you also get exclusive access to private sales and new launches. So $29 a month, you get a $29 credit, kind of like a savings program for your gel polishes. If not, they do have a pay-as-you-go option, and you can introduce my coupon code at checkout, and it is an affiliate code. And so after I get the 1 layer applied, and you can see that blue color is nicely pigmented, so is Clouded, nicely pigmented colors. After curing, I'm going to go in and apply the no wipe top coat and cure for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to apply some stickers to my ring finger. Removing too much polish from my ring finger, and I wanted to get closer to the cuticle area, so I'll go in with like a liner brush and a little bit of polish, and I try to get closer to the cuticle area. I think that was a mistake. That's just, to me, tedious. Now if I was a nail professional, because I'm a DIYer, I would do this, but however, you can see the little gap at the end of the cuticle. I fill that in. This to me was tedious as crap. So So after I get the nails top coated, I'm going in with these little squiggly lines, stickers that I think I got these off of Shein, and so I thought they would have went well. And so I'm just placing these on the nail. They already have top coat. So, and the reason why I top coat, because I don't want to touch any uncured gel, because that could potentially lead to gel allergies. That's why I always top coat. And so I placed that on the nail, and then I'm like, that alone, that's not doing it for me. And so after I end up placing another sticker on the nail, I end up moving the one that's in the middle. I take a cuticle pusher, lift that off the nail, and then I'm just cutting off excess, and I'm using the silicone end of my nail art tweezers just to make sure to press that down so that it adheres well to the nail. And so I end up trying to pick it off. It didn't work well, so I have like a little cuticle remover tool, cuticle pusher that's really sharp on the end. That's usually what I use to pop off my nails, whether it's gel polish or dip powder. And so I'm just moving that on the nail, and then I'm going to go in with the third sticker and apply that and make sure I press that down really well, and using the little tiny scissors to cut off excess. As previously mentioned, I'm going in with base coat, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. And after that, I'm going to go in with the no wipe top coat and cure for 30 seconds. So once my nails have cooled off from being cured in the lamp, I'm going to go in and apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my nails and my skin, making sure to apply that to the underside of my nails as well. So thank you to Nail Reserve for sending me these products to feature on my channel. The nails came out nice and shiny with one coat of gel color. I didn't want to do too much because I didn't want that polish to be too thick on my nail and end up with maybe undercured gel. And so I end up putting a little bit too much cuticle on there because I forget my nails are short now. And so I go in with alcohol wipe just to remove that excess oil from my nails. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.